What if I told you that the world's most mysterious military structures weren't military at all? What if these intricate geometric designs weren't built to defend against cannonballs, but to generate electricity? Today we're diving into the theory that star forts may have been ancient power stations, more specifically, saltwater batteries. Star forts, or bastion forts, exploded across Europe in the 15th to 18th centuries. Their sharp geometric symmetry was supposedly military genius, designed to deflect cannon fire and create overlapping fields of vision. But here's the twist. They appear in places that saw little to no battle. They are often perfectly preserved even centuries later, and many of them are built near or surrounded by salt water. Is this coincidence, or are we missing the real function of star forts? A saltwater battery uses electrodes of two different metals, like copper and iron, submerged in salt water or a natural electrolyte. When these metals are connected through a circuit, ions flow, generating electric current. Simple but not powerful. Now imagine this system on a massive scale, embedded in architecture. Could the moats around the star forts actually be electrical components? But it gets deeper. Beneath our feet, the Earth is buzzing with telluric currents, natural electrical flows moving through the crust. These currents can be tapped using conductive materials placed in the right locations, just like Earth batteries. Now get this, many star forts are built on ley lines, near coastal regions, or at high telluric energy points. It's as if they were designed to harvest Earth's own energy and not to defend against invaders. So why the star shape? Geometry isn't just aesthetic, it's energetic. The star layouts create fractal symmetry and resonant nodes which could amplify electromagnetic activity. Think of it like a tuning fork. The shape channels and enhances the frequencies. Some believe the bastions act like nodes or capacitors, gathering and redistributing energy through the structure. Energy enters through the groundwater and gets stored or directed through the fort's architecture. So picture this. The saltwater moat is your electrolyte. The walls or inner columns hold embedded copper and iron for the anode and cathode, and the Earth's energy, the ionic exchange from saltwater drive current, the Earth's energy and ionic exchange from the saltwater drive current through the structure. This turns the entire star fort into a functional organic battery, scalable, sustainable, and totally off-grid. Maybe the real reason for these moats wasn't defense, but electrical charge separation. So what happened? Some believe this was lost knowledge, a technology once understood, but deliberately buried. Maybe these weren't just forts. Maybe they were a part of a global energy network, now misinterpreted by history. Could it be that these defensive structures were actually power stations, resonance chambers, or even Tesla-style receivers? And it raises the question, did our ancestors understand energies in ways that we've forgotten, or we were never told? The evidence is still emerging, but the theory, it could be electrifying. Star forts as saltwater batteries flips everything we thought we knew. History, energy, architecture, all connected. So now the question is, were these really just forts, as we've been told? in his story, or were they actually ancient energetic machines? Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to dive deeper into ancient tech, lost knowledge, and the energy secrets of our past. And drop me a comment. Do you believe star forts were energy generators, or is this just a silly theory? Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave me a comment, and I'll talk to you all on the next upload. Bye for now.
Remember, in the end, nobody wins unless everybody wins.